why we need to say the 3 times Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So every time we pray the mantra and we need to say Shanti 3 times. Shanti is a Sanskrit word, it's a mean peace. So we must have peace for our body, we must have peace for our mind, and we must have peace for our spirit, our soul. So for body, peace is okay, we understand. We have peace in the body. It means body is healthy, no pain at all. Feel good, that is a body. Peace for Shanti for the mind. So if you have worry something, if you hate someone, or if you don't like some situations in your life, it means you have no peace in your mind. So we must have to have peace in our mind. So we can forgive to some people, we can be back to the normal and make ourselves happy, because the happiness is inside, is not from the out. So we must have peace in our mind too. And the peace for the spirit. Spirit is mean that we have some bad feeling many times ago with someone, and we still stuck this feel in our heart. That is we call our soul, our spirit is not happy. That's we have to forgive to people, and we need to back to the normal, so our spirit will be happy too. So that's why every time we pray the mantra, we say Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. It means universal energy. We are asking you to have a peace in my body, to have a peace in my mind, because both are very important, to have peace and have a happy feeling and the happy life again. So that is we call the Shanti 3 times. So might be has many questions, because people are following the yoga path, but they don't know what we should do, what we should apply, and how to apply in our life. So that's why I'm here to help you with the little things, but very useful, very important. So if you found this video is really very useful for you, please feel free to like, subscribe my channel, or just share this video to everyone with your friends. So it will be very nice to share the knowledge with the beautiful peoples. So see you soon in the next video. Namaste, bye bye.